everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you Vankaya Barta or Baingan Barta. Ingredients for Vankaya Barta or eggplant Barta. So we need one large eggplant and just make some holes with the fork and barbecue this, or even on the gas you can burn this so the skin gets burned, and then peel it off. I already did this, so I already peeled and it got nicely cooked. So now we'll go for next step. The other ingredients we need is one medium sized onion chopped into small tiny pieces, and 2 medium tomatoes or 1 large tomato chopped into small pieces, and handful of cilantro and 4 to 5 green chillies. Then depending on the size and the spice level you can take the chilies. We eat lots of spicy, then I've taken so many chilies, and less than 1 spoon, that is 3/4 spoon salt, and half spoon red chili flakes, or you can take even red chili powder too. I've taken 1/4 cup sesame seed powder, that is roasted sesame seeds powder, and half lemon juice, 2 spoons oil, taken half spoon cumin seeds and half mustard seeds. Once the seeds pop up, then we'll go to next step. The oil got heated and my mustard seeds are popping up. Then I'm going to turn off the stove. So I'm going to take all ingredients together. First goes in the brinjal, then I'm going to add sesame seed powder to this. So I'm going to take the spices, salt and red chili flakes, and even chopped green chilies, and I'm going to add lemon juice to this. And first I'm going to mix all this well, because the brinjal, it is big piece, so we need to break this down. So when we mix up spices, then this goes well while breaking down. Every piece will be getting all spices together and you get that taste. So once this gets mashed, it looks good, then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So cilantro and the onions, tomatoes, tempering. Oil tempering goes into this. I'm going to mix them all together. Done. This is my mom's recipe. This is one of my childhood favorite recipe. I still love this recipe. So another option is then you can cook little bit. I don't like cooking because I want to keep this as it is, but most of them they even cook it. But my mom used to do like this and we used to really love it. And this goes very well with any kind of parathas or even chapati, pulkas, and even with the rice it goes well. But as a side dish, we need one more dish, because this will not be enough. Like we need some more curry like stuff. Then this as a side dish goes well. mainly with chapati kind things, this goes very well. It's done. Time for taste test. It has that lemony taste, raw onion, raw tomato. It tastes like something like salsa, and it tastes very good. Super taste. You should try this. For full recipe, look into the description box below, and if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with next recipe. Until then, bye. Thank you for watching.